Hello, I'm Angie Mullings, broker at C21 Integrity Group. Today we're coming to you with a great announcement, the addition of our commercial division. For 12 years, we have been helping families move, buy and sell real estate, and now we get to offer that same great service to individuals who want to sell and buy commercial property. Today I have commercial realtor Kevin Galogli with me, and I'm happy to announce that he has come to Century 21, new to Century 21, but not new to the commercial real estate industry. Kevin, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Thank you, Angie, and I'm just thrilled to be a part of the Century 21 family now in this new endeavor. I've been in banking for 40 years, got out in 2017, so I've been doing commercial real estate locally for 2.5 years. But with the Century 21 brand behind my name, I'm looking for lots of good things.
We're very excited to be adding this commercial division to the line of services that we offer here at Century 21 Integrity Group.
With Century 21 being a national company, it's given me the ability to utilize their vast resources and technology to better market my properties.
So if you're looking to purchase or sell real estate, feel free to call Century 21 and I'll be happy to help you with any of your needs.
Well, welcome, Kevin. We're thrilled to add you to our relentless team here at Century 21. You know, nationally, Century 21 is very strong in the commercial division, so we're excited to bring that to Southwest Missouri. If you have any commercial needs or just have questions about commercial real estate, please give us a call and we'll get Kevin to help you out.